Welcome to the ultimate guide to refrigerated pallet courier services in the UK. In this video, we will explore everything you need to know about temperature controlled transport. A refrigerated pallet courier service ensures that perishable goods are transported at the right temperature to maintain their quality and safety. Temperature controlled transport is essential for industries like food, pharmaceuticals and chemicals to prevent spoilage and maintain product integrity. Many industries rely on refrigerated pallet couriers, including supermarkets, medical suppliers and hospitality businesses. Using a refrigerated pallet courier service guarantees freshness, reduces waste and ensures regulatory compliance. So how does refrigerated pallet transport work? Let's break it down step by step. The delivery process involves careful planning, temperature monitoring and efficient logistics to ensure timely and safe deliveries. Choosing the right refrigerated pallet courier is crucial for maintaining product quality and customer satisfaction. Key factors to consider include reliability, real-time tracking and adherence to temperature regulations. In the UK, strict regulations govern the transport of temperature-sensitive goods to ensure compliance and public safety. Understanding UK and EU compliance standards is essential for businesses that rely on refrigerated transport. Various factors affect the cost of refrigerated pallet transport, including distance, urgency, type of goods transported, weight, capacity. Should you choose same day or next day delivery? Well, we'll help you decide based on your business needs. Refrigerated transport comes with challenges such as temperature fluctuations, delays and regulatory compliance. Innovations in refrigerated logistics such as smart tracking, AI-based route optimization and improving efficiency. Booking a refrigerated pallet courier service is easy when you follow these simple steps. Step 1. Choose a trusted refrigerated logistics provider with a proven track record. Step 2. Confirm the temperature requirements for your shipment to ensure safe transport. Step 3. Schedule pickup and provide accurate shipment details for a smooth delivery process. And finally, step 4. Track your delivery with real-time monitoring to ensure it arrives safely and on time. A reliable refrigerated pallet courier service ensures that your goods are transported safely and efficiently. Get in touch with us today for a fast and reliable refrigerated logistics solutions. Contact us now on our website freshlogistics.co.uk.